Now this the former Illinois Central Railroad Bridge. Now this is Bascule Bridge, which is fixed in position, built in 1925. Now this is a Strauss underneath kind of way train Bascule Bridge. The worn through truss, which is worn through truss for us fixed truss bridges with a deck plate girder approach, a single track which has a pony plate girder. Former Bascule Bridge. It was a former Bascule Bridge. It was a Strauss counterweight Bascule Bridge of a Strauss underneath counterweight type approach. The former Bascule Bridge, now a fixed, being built in 1925, is now owned by Canadian National Railroad, former Illinois Central, Metro, and Track. Woman through Truss Bridge over the Little Calumet River. Now this bridge is located in Riverdale, Illinois, in Cook County. So it's not in Chicago, but it's in Riverdale, Illinois. And it used to raise for boats and ships, and now it's fixed in position for rail traffic and everything. So and so this we got trains run through this bridge a lot. So it's now it's owned by the Canadian National Railroad. So, let's see. And it says, it says, former Illinois Railroad Bascule Bridge in a fixed position across the Little Calumet River at Riverdale, Illinois. It's a Strauss type underneath counterweight train Bascule Bridge built in 1925. So this is fixed in position.